Alright, so we are going to start from the month of October. So now we know that we don't know, we have to learn. So 1st of October is older persons के लिए इंटरनेशनल डे है, ठीक है, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ ओल्डर पर्सन्स. 2nd of October is Shastri as well as Gandhi Jayanti. Now 2nd of October is also International Day of Non-Violence, that is again based on the Gandhi Jayanti. And 4th of October is World Animal Welfare Day, okay. And also World Habitat Day. World Habitat Day is on 2nd of October. So Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, World Habitat Day. That is the first Monday of October. And there was one more thing. On 2nd of October we have International Day of Non-Violence, whereas 1st of October was International Day of Older Persons. ठीक है. And 4th of October is Animal Welfare Day, and 5th of October is International Teachers Day. This is, mind you, this is International Teachers Day. Then 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day, and 10th of October is Mental Health Day. 11th of October is International Day for Girl Child. Now you don't have to confuse that with 24 of January. That is a different thing. I think for girl child education, I think वो था. And this is 11th of October, that is International Day of Girl Child simply. Then 13th of October is International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction, that is 13th of October, International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. And 14th of October is World Standards Day, not very important. 16th of October ज़्यादा important है, World Food Day. 24th of October is World United Nations Day. 31st of October को कई सारे दिन पढ़ते हैं, जैसे कि World Cities Day and National Unity Day based on the birthday of Vallabhbhai Patel, that is National Unity Day यानी एकता दिवस. और वर्ल्ड सिटीज़ डे 31st of October. एंड किसान अधिकार दिवस भी 31 अक्टूबर को ही मनाया जाता है, किसान अधिकार दिवस. एंड 31 अक्टूबर इज़ ऑल्सो रिमेंबर्ड एज इंदिरा गांधी डेथ एनिवर्सरी, राइट. ओके, सो अब एक बार उल्टा हम बता दे रहे हैं. 31 अक्टूबर को नेशनल यूनिटी डे तो है ही, इंदिरा गांधी का डेथ एनिवर्सरी भी है, राइट. इंदिरा गांधी डेथ एनिवर्सरी. किसान अधिकार दिवस भी मनाया जाता है, नेशनल यूनिटी डे, दैट इज़ द बर्थडे ऑफ वल्लभ भाई पटेल. एंड 31st of October is World Cities Day, right? World Cities Day. Now 24th of October we already know, the United Nations Day. 16th of October is World Food Day, and 14th of October is World Standards Day. 13th of October, not important. I think it is International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. 11th of October is International Day for Girl Child. 10th of October is Mental Health Day. And 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day, and 5th of October is International Teachers Day. 2nd of October is World Habitat Day, along with Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, as well as 2nd of October को International Day of Non-Violence भी मनाया जाता है. 1st of October is International Day of Older Persons, and 4th of October is Animal Welfare Day. तो हैबिटेट डे किस दिन मनाया जाता है? 2nd of October को, ठीक है. नाउ इसमें नवंबर में काफ़ी कम है, सो लेट्स डू दैट. तो इसमें देखो 5 नवंबर को सुनामी अवेयरनेस डे है, और 7th of November को कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे है, और 9th of November को लीगल सर्विसेज डे है, राइट. एंड देन 14th of November को यू हैव योर वर्ल्ड डायबिटीज़ डे, एंड 17th of November को नेशनल एपिलेप्सी डे, एंड 19th of November को वर्ल्ड टॉयलेट डे. 21st of November को वर्ल्ड टेलीविजन डे, एंड 26th of November को कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली adopted the constitution on this day, right. So इसमें ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. देखो नवंबर मंथ में you have to start with a series of odd days, that is 5th of November, 7th of November, and then 9th of November, और फिर उसके बाद सीधे 14th of November, right. So 5th of November is your World Tsunami Awareness Day, ठीक है, World Tsunami Awareness Day. 7th of November is World Cancer Awareness Day. 9th of November is Legal Services Day. 14th of November is World Diabetes Day, and 17th of November is National Epilepsy Day. 19th of November is World Toilet Day, and 21st of November is World Television Day, and 26th of November is National Law. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution. Now if we look December, so 1st of December is AIDS Day, and 2nd of December is Computer Literacy Day. We'll come back to that. 2nd of December is also celebrated as International Day for Abolition of Slavery. So ये अच्छा है. International Day for the Abolition of Slavery, and 3rd of December is International Day for the Persons with Disabilities. 4th of December is Indian Navy Day, and 5th of December is World Soil Day, Mitti Divas. 7th of December is Armed Forces Flag Day. You can skip that. 9th of December is International Anti-Corruption Day. 9th of December. 10th of December is International Human Rights Day. Alright. International Human Rights Day is 10th of December. 11th of December is International Mountain Day. And 14th of December is National Energy Conservation Day. National Energy Conservation Day. 18th of December is International Migrants Day. And 19th of December is Goa's Liberation Day. Not very important. 22nd of December is National Mathematics Day. 22 December. And 23rd of December is National Farmers Day or Kisan Divas, birth anniversary of Chaudhry Charan Singh. So that is 23rd of December. Simply किसान दिवस के रूप में याद रख सकते हो. 24 दिसंबर नेशनल कंज्यूमर डे, and don't confuse that with I think 15th of March. Was that 15th of March? कंज्यूमर राइट्स डे कब होता है देख लेना. 25 दिसंबर को नेशनल गुड गवर्नेंस डे. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो वी विल डू दिस वंस मोर. हमने सितंबर देखा है, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, राइट? नहीं, अक्टूबर. सो लेट्स डू दैट. 1st of October is older persons. 2nd of October is Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. World Habitat Day is also, I think, on 2nd of October, is it? Yes. So International Day of Non-Violence, Gandhi Jayanti, Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, and World Habitat Day. All these days are on 2nd of October. Now 4th of October को Animal Welfare Day मनाया जाता है. तो ये सारे हो गए. फिर हम आते हैं 5th of October को, that is International Teachers Day. So that is the International Teachers Day. 8th of October को Indian Air Force Day. ठीक है. फिर 10th of October को Mental Health Day है, World Mental Health Day. 11th of October is International Day for Girl Child, and 13th of October is International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. 14th of October is World Standards Day, and 16th of October is World Food Day. तो देखो 11th October को क्या था? International Day for Girl Child Day. That was 11th of October, International Day of the Girl Child. 13th of October को क्या था? International Day for the Disaster Risk Reduction. 14th of October को क्या था? I think Diabetes Day था. और 16th of October को नहीं, 14th, एक second, 11th October was, so 10th of October is mental health day. 11th of October International Day for Girl Child. 13th of October Disaster Risk Reduction Day. 14th of October was World Standards Day. 16th of October was World Food Day. Okay, 16th of October was World Food Day, and 24th of October was United Nations Day, and 31st of October was National Unity Day, or you can say किसान अधिकार दिवस, और इंदिरा गांधी की डेथ एनिवर्सरी भी मनाई जाती है उसी दिन. Coming to November, I think 5th of November was International Children's, नहीं ये गलत है. 5th of November, ये तुम कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो. 5th of October को था इंटरनेशनल टीचर्स डे, राइट? और फिर 5th of November को क्या था? वर्ल्ड सुनामी डे. 5th of November को वर्ल्ड सुनामी डे. 5th of November was वर्ल्ड 5 नवंबर वर्ल्ड सुनामी डे. 7th of November was National Cancer Awareness and 5th of November was Tsunami Awareness. ठीक है. And 9th of November was Legal Services Day, and 14th of November is Children's Day. ठीक है. 14th of November is also Diabetes Day. 17th of November is National Epilepsy Day, and 19th of November is World Toilet Day. 21st of November is Television Day, World Television Day, and 26th of November is National Law Day. Then 1st of December is World AIDS Day, and 2nd of December is International Day for Abolition of Slavery. 3rd of December is International Day for Persons with Disabilities. That is 3rd of December. In short, 3D. So 3D stands for International Day for Persons with Disabilities, and 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. Just like I told you, Indian Air Force Day कब पड़ रहा था? I think it was in October. It was 8th of October. So 8th of October was Indian Air Force Day, whereas 8th of October was Indian Air Force Day. 8th of October was Indian Air Force Day, right? 8th of October was Indian Air Force Day. Then 4th of December. 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. And what about 3rd of December? That is, in short, 3D. That is International Day for Persons with Disabilities, right? And 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. And 5th of December is World Soil Day, very important. And the 9th of December is International Anti-Corruption Day. 9th of December, 10th of December is International Human Rights Day. 11th of December is International Mountain Day. 14th of December is National Energy Conservation Day. That is 14th of December. Then 18th of December is International Migrants Day. And 22nd of December is National Mathematics Day. 22nd of December National Mathematics Day. 23rd of December is किसान दिवस चौधरी चरण सिंह के लिए. एंड 24 दिसंबर नेशनल कंज्यूमर डे. 24 दिसंबर नेशनल कंज्यूमर डे. एंड 25th of December is नेशनल गुड गवर्नेंस डे. क्रिसमस के साथ है तुम्हारा गुड गवर्नेंस डे. एंड 24 दिसंबर यानी एक दिन पहले नेशनल कंज्यूमर डे. और उसके एक दिन पहले दैट इज़ 23rd of December दैट इज़ किसान दिवस फॉर द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ चौधरी चरण सिंह. तो अभी एक बार फिर से हम ये बता दे रहे हैं सारे के सारे. तो अब देखो 4th of January को तुम्हारा वर्ल्ड ब्रेल दिवस हुआ था. 9th of January प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस हुआ था. 10th of January हालांकि ताशकंद अग्रीमेंट भी हुआ था बट 10th of January को वर्ल्ड हिंदी डे मनाया जाता है, वर्ल्ड हिंदी डे. जबकि 14 सितंबर को नेशनल हिंदी दिवस. तो वर्ल्ड वाला है 10 जनवरी को. दैन 12th of January नेशनल यूथ डे मनाया जाता है फॉर स्वामी विवेकानंद बर्थडे. दैन 15th of January को इंडियन आर्मी डे. 24th of January को नेशनल गर्ल चाइल्ड डे. ठीक है, गर्ल चाइल्ड डे दैट इज़ अ नेशनल लेवल गर्ल चाइल्ड डे दैट इज़ 24th of January. ऑलराइट, दैन 24th of January को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ एजुकेशन भी मनाते हैं. 25th of January को नेशनल वोटर्स डे. 26th को पता ही है रिपब्लिक डे. और 26th को ही इंटरनेशनल कस्टम्स डे भी मनाया जाता है 26th January रिपब्लिक डे के साथ. एंड 30th of January को मार्टर्स डे मनाया जाता है. मूविंग टू February, 2nd of February इज़ वर्ल्ड वेटलैंड्स डे. 4th of February is World Cancer Day. And 13th of February is World Radio Day. And 21st of February is International Day of Mother Tongue या Mother Language Day. And 28th of February is National Science Day, C.V. रमन के लिए मेरे ख्याल से. Then 3rd of March को ये वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ डे मनाया जाता है. 7th of March को जन औषधि दिवस. और 8th of March को इंटरनेशनल विमेंस डे. 15th of March को वर्ल्ड कंज्यूमर राइट्स डे 15th of March. 20th of March को आई थिंक इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. एंड अब ये दोनों छोड़ दो. 21st of March को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ फॉरेस्ट भी मनाते हैं. और 21st of March को वर्ल्ड पोएट्री डे भी मनाते हैं. नाउ 22nd of March इज़ वर्ल्ड वाटर डे, पानी दिवस, वर्ल्ड वाटर डे. 23rd of March इज़ भगत सुखदेव राजगुरु को मार्टर्स डे मनाते हैं. और उसी दिन यानी कि 23rd of March को वर्ल्ड मीटरोलॉजिकल दिवस भी मनाते हैं. 24th of March को वर्ल्ड टीबी डे मनाते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू अप्रैल, 7th of April इज़ वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे. 14th of April इज़ अम्बेडकर जयंती. 17th of April इज़ वर्ल्ड हेमोफीलिया डे. 18th of April इज़ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज दिवस. 21st of April इज़ नेशनल सिविल सर्विसेज डे. 22nd of April इज़ अर्थ डे. 23rd of April इज़ वर्ल्ड बुक कॉपीराइट डे. एंड 26th of April इज़ इंटरनेशनल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी डे. और 24 अप्रैल को नेशनल पंचायती राज दिवस. और 25 अप्रैल को वर्ल्ड मलेरिया दिवस. फिर हम मई में जाते हैं तो 3rd of May को वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे मनाते हैं. 7th of May को वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स डे मनाते हैं. 8th of May को थैलेसीमिया एज वेल एज रेड क्रॉस दिवस मनाते हैं. 11th of May को आई थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी डे मनाते हैं, नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे 11th of May. 15th of May को इंटरनेशनल फैमिली डे मनाते हैं. और 17th of May को आई थिंक इट इज़ वर्ल्ड टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस डे. 18th of May को इंटरनेशनल म्यूज़ियम डे. एंड 21st of May को नेशनल एंटी टेररिज्म डे. एंड 22nd of May को इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. एंड 23rd of May को वर्ल्ड टर्टल डे. एंड 31st of May को यानी कि लास्ट डे ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ मे दैट इज़ एंटी टोबैको डे. फिर जून में आते हैं तो 5th of June इज़ वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे. 7th of June इज़ वर्ल्ड फूड सेफ्टी डे. ठीक है, 7th of June is World Food Safety Day. 8th of June is World Oceans Day. Then 12th of June is I think 12th of June is against child labor, World Day against child labor. 14th of June is World Blood Donor Day. 20th of June is World Refugee Day. 21st of June is International Yoga Day. And then 25th of June is International Day of the Seafarer. And 26th of June is International Day against drug trafficking. एंड 29th of June इज़ नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स डे. देन जुलाई में आते हैं तो नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे पड़ता है 1 जुलाई को. एंड 1st of July ऑल्सो मार्क्स द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडियाज़ फाउंडेशन डे. 6th of July is International Day for Cooperatives. 11th of July is World Population Day. 17th of July is World Day for International Justice. Then 26th of July is Kargil Vijay Divas. 28th of July is World Hepatitis Day. 26th का था यार कारगिल विजय दिवस 26th of July and 28th यानी कि 2 दिन बाद that was World Hepatitis Day 28th of July. 28th को एक और चीज़ पढ़ रहा था that was World Nature's Conservation Day and 29th of July was International Tiger Day. Then अब ये तो पूरा सप्ताह लिख दिया है. एक अगस्त से लेके 7 अगस्त तक वर्ल्ड ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग वीक. 7th of August is National Handloom Day and 12th of August is International Youth Day. 15th of August तो पता ही है. 19th of August World Humanitarian Day. 19, 20, 29 तो 19th को याद रख लो वर्ल्ड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन डे. 20th तो इरडा जाएगा और 29th of August is I think is स्पोर्ट्स डे, नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे ऑन बर्थडे ऑफ ध्यानचंद. फिर इसके बाद सितंबर में आते हैं तो 5th of September is टीचर्स डे एस राधा कृष्णन के लिए. और 7th of September क्लीन एयर ब्लू स्काइज डे एंड 8th of September is इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे दैट इज़ 8th of September. ये थोड़ा भूल रहा है मुझे. 14th of September हिंदी दिवस और 8 सितंबर को इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे मनाते हैं. 15th of September is इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. केवल एक शब्द याद रखो 15 सितंबर को डेमोक्रेसी. 16 सितंबर को ओजोन डे. 21st of September को इंटरनेशनल पीस डे और 27th of September वर्ल्ड टूरिज्म डे. नाउ 1 अक्टूबर को अभी बताया इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ ओल्डर पर्सनस. 2 अक्टूबर को लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जयंती. 2 अक्टूबर को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस एंड 4 अक्टूबर को वर्ल्ड एनिमल वेलफेयर डे. World Animal Welfare Day is on 4th of October, right? And 2nd of October is also celebrated as World Habitat Day. World Habitat Day. 5th of October is International Teachers Day. International Teachers Day. 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day. And 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day. जबकि 4th of November is Indian Navy Day. Is it? Not 4th of November. That was 4th of December. Indian Navy Day. Anyway, so 2nd of October World Habitat Day. 5th of October International Teachers Day. 8th of October Indian Air Force Day. That was 8th of October. 10th of October World Mental Health Day. 11th of October International Day of the Girl Child. 13th of October International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. And 10th of October भूल रहा है ना World Mental Health Day. 14th of October is World Standards Day. 16th of October is World Food Day. 24th of October is United Nations Day. 31st of October is World Cities Day and National Unity Day and Kisan Adhikar Divas. And 31st of October is also Indira Gandhi's death anniversary. Then 5th November is World Tsunami Awareness Day. 7th November is Cancer Awareness Day and 9th November is I think Legal Services Day. 14th of November is Diabetes Day, also Children's Day. 17th of November is National Epilepsy Day. 19th of November is Toilet Day, World Toilet Day. 21st of November is World Television Day. 26th of November National Law Day. Now 1st December is World AIDS Day and 2nd of December is International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. 3rd December is International Day of Persons with Disabilities, in short 3D. And 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. 5th of December is World Soil Day and 9th of December is Anti-Corruption Day. 10th of December is Human Rights Day, both international. ठीक है तो 9th of December है क्या था Anti-Corruption Day. 9th of December and 10th of December is Human Rights Day. 11th of December is Mountain Day. 14th of December is National Energy Conservation Day. ये important है 14th of December. फिर 18 December is International Migrants Day and 22nd of December is National Mathematics Day. 23rd December is Kisan Divas चौधरी चरण सिंह के लिए. 24 दिसंबर is National Consumer Day. 25th of December is National Good Governance Day. तो ये हो गया सारे. अब इसमें ये कुछ मेजर लेक्स हैं, इसमें सारे नहीं करने, कुछ तो हमको पता ही है. अब जैसे ये है इम्पोर्टेंट एक वेरीनाग, तो ये जम्मू में है. और मानस बाल ये भी जम्मू में है. शेषनाग ये भी, शेषनाग अनंतनाग ये दोनों जम्मू में है. और आचार लेक ये भी जम्मू में है. ठीक है, शेषनाग अनंतनाग आचार लेक वेरीनाग और मानस बाल. ठीक है. और ये नाइगीन लेक ये भी जम्मू कश्मीर में है. फिर सूरज ताल इज़ इन हिमाचल प्रदेश. और सात ताल दैट इज़ इन उत्तराखंड, ठीक है। सात ताल इज़ इन उत्तराखंड। अब सात ताल बेसिकली रिफर्स टू वेरियस ताल्स सच एज नैनीताल, भीमताल, देवताल, खूरपा ताल। अब ये डमडमा है, डमडमा एक लेक है, ये हरियाणा में है। पिछोला लेक हम पढ़ चुके हैं राजस्थान में। सांभर पता है, राजसमंद पता है, जयसमंद पता है, लुंकार, नासर। तो अब ये इतना लोकल में नहीं जाएगा ना, ये भी पता है, ठीक है, नक्की लेक। तो इसमें डमडमा हरियाणा में, पिछोला राजस्थान में, और सात ताल में खुरपा ताल एक याद रख लो, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इन उत्तराखंड। बाकी नाइगीन, आचार, अनंतनाग, शेषनाग, मनसबल, वेरीनाग, और हाँ ये सारे थे उसमें जम्मू में, और सूरज ताल ये हिमाचल में। ऑल राइट। अब ये जैसे कुछ टेम्पल्स हैं, तो कितने राज्यों के बताएं पहले, और ये अलग में अलग से करेंगे।